When it comes to protecting your home while maintaining style and comfort, your entry door plays a critical role. For homeowners in Pasadena, where weather conditions, security concerns, and daily wear all come into play, upgrading to an impact-resistant entry door is a smart and practical investment. These doors are designed to provide superior strength, durability, and long-term performance without sacrificing appearance. One of the biggest advantages of impact-resistant entry doors is their ability to withstand strong forces. Built with reinforced materials and advanced construction techniques, these doors are designed to resist damage from heavy impacts. Whether it's debris during a storm or accidental force, impact-resistant doors help protect your home's interior and structure. This added layer of protection gives homeowners peace of mind, especially during unpredictable weather. Security is another major reason homeowners in Pasadena choose impact-resistant entry doors. Traditional doors can be vulnerable to forced entry, but impact-resistant models are built with stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems. These features make it much more difficult for intruders to break through, helping keep your home and family safe. A secure entry point is one of the most important aspects of home protection, and upgrading your door is a simple way to improve it. In addition to safety, these doors also contribute to energy efficiency. Older entry doors may allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Impact-resistant doors are designed with tight seals and insulated cores that help prevent drafts and reduce heat transfer. This is especially beneficial in Pasadena, where maintaining a consistent indoor climate is important for comfort. Improved insulation means your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy costs over time. Durability is another key benefit. Impact-resistant entry doors are made from materials that can handle daily use as well as environmental exposure. They resist warping, cracking, and fading, even with regular exposure to sunlight and changing temperatures. This long-lasting performance means fewer repairs and less maintenance, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Another advantage is noise reduction. A well-built, impact-resistant door helps block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially helpful for homes located near busy streets or active neighborhoods. By reducing unwanted sound, these doors contribute to a more relaxing living space. Style and design are also important considerations, and modern impact-resistant entry doors offer a wide range of options. Homeowners can choose from various finishes, colors, and designs to match their home's exterior. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more contemporary, these doors can enhance curb appeal while providing high-level performance. A well-designed entry door not only improves functionality but also makes a strong first impression. Proper installation is essential to getting the most out of your new door. Even the most advanced impact-resistant door won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and secure placement. This guarantees that your door delivers maximum protection, efficiency, and durability. Another benefit of upgrading to an impact-resistant entry door is the increase in overall home value. Buyers often look for homes with enhanced security and durable features, and a high-quality entry door is a noticeable upgrade. Even if you're not planning to sell, this added value is an important advantage. Maintenance is also simple and straightforward. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep your door in excellent condition. Because these doors are built to resist damage, they require less upkeep compared to traditional options. In the end, impact-resistant entry doors offer a combination of strength, security, and style that makes them an excellent choice for Pasadena homeowners. By upgrading your entry door, you're not only improving protection but also enhancing comfort, efficiency, and overall home appeal. It's a smart investment that delivers lasting benefits and helps ensure your home remains safe and welcoming for years to come.